Hi everyone, it's Ira from gmailfiend. First of all, thank you for watching this video. If you're new here, please don't forget to click the subscribe button down below and check our channel for more videos like this. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to mark all emails as read. Like for example, you can see here that I have a lot of emails, unread emails, but I want to mark them as read for future emails so that I could separate it from them. So what you're going to do is first log in to your Gmail account, of course, then select all. What you're going to do is just click this box, or you can even type, like for example, you want to mark read all the specific emails from a specific sender. You just find emails from that sender. But if you want to mark all emails as read, just click this and then right click and then mark it as read. There you have it. You'll have marked every email as read. We hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, please leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye!